To customize icons in status bar in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you'll need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down, and then we can enter notification and quick settings, and after that enter a status bar. Now, first option is the time. You'll be able to hide the time or show it with seconds or without them. You can also change notification icons to see which apps send you a notification, how many apps send you notifications or do not show any notifications at all. Then there's the battery percentage. You can show battery percentage inside of the battery icon next to it, or you can hide the battery percentage entirely. Then there's the option for status bar icons. So as you can see, for example, I have Bluetooth right there. So I can disable Bluetooth. That way this icon will go away. And you can do this with any other icons that you can see in this list. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.